Hello everyone. In this short video, we will discuss, can AI replace software engineers? While AI can assist with coding and other tasks, completely replacing software engineers is unlikely in the next 10 years. Here why. Creativity and innovations. AI can follow up patterns and rules, but it cannot think about creativity like humans. Designing new software or creating innovative solutions requires imagination, which only humans possess. Problem solving skills. Software engineers tackles unique problems and requires complex thinking and decision making. AI is not yet capable of handling such complexity without human guidance. Understanding user needs. Creating software involves understanding user requirements and emotions. AI lacks empathy and cannot truly understand human needs. Teamwork and communication. Software development is a teamwork process that requires communication with teams, clients, and stakeholders. AI cannot replace the human touch needed for teamwork. To learn more about this, please visit our blog post. You will find the link in the description box. Thank you.
We request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.